Patented design clamps covered with non-conducting rubber. It is safe enough for repeated use. Fits top and side post batteries. Sufficient CCA, copper-coated aluminium. UL-listed jumper cables with higher copper content than the others without UL. All our parameters are the same as UL report, 05253. 20 ft length allows you to access from various locations around the car. It easily reaches the battery on the opposite side of the vehicle to the jumper's battery. Low temperature immunity. -25 C, -13 F. It will work well in the extreme environment. Ideal for use with full-size cars and cargo vans, mid-size pickup truck and freight hauling vehicles. 3-year warranty. Cartman's aim is to give you the best shopping experience. Top reviews from the United States. I wish I had carried a larger gauge years ago. Fantastic cables. Purchased the 4-gauge and am extremely happy with both the quality and performance. I would definitely recommend these cables. Remember, electricity travels on the outside of the wire, not through the center. For a larger engine and higher voltage needed for starting, you will need a larger gauge cable. This is why it can so long to jump start a vehicle when using cheap cables.